Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance.
Today I am sharing with you 2 herbal treatments for PCOS. These remedies give 100% result, but friends, remember, herbal remedies cure diseases but take some time, so you should keep some patience to get the result. Now start the remedy 1. Take java galanga 60 gram, dry ginger 40 gram, long pepper 60 gram. Method: grind all the herbs and save in a glass jar. Dosage: 1 gram with lukewarm water 2 times a day. If you are overweight, take 2 gram with lukewarm water 2 times a day. For remedy 2, you will need flax seeds 1 tablespoon, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, 2 cups water. Method: add both the ingredients into boiling water, reduce to 1 cup. Drink daily, keep using for 2 months. You can get all the ingredients from Indian store.
Friends, if you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.